Yo, C-TekGh right here, Gideon in this seat. And you know, when it comes to C-Tek, no, let me not go there. This week there were a couple of chants on the internet, and we know when it comes to C-Tek, we are like enzymes because we always break it down. So in just about, let's go. So when it comes to the internet is like a whole globe with series of kingdoms. All those softwares, applications, and web applications you see, they become like kingdoms on the internet. And one of the biggest kingdoms we can talk about is Facebook. You know, coupling it with other services like Instagram and WhatsApp. It's like a whole huge, is it an island or something on its own? Or islands are not big? Islands big?
Yeah.
All right. So it's like a whole huge island on its own, like the whole of, let's say, Africa. And you are very much aware that recently Facebook was down. When was that, Henry? Monday. So Facebook was down for a couple of hours, not just Facebook as in Facebook, but Facebook as in Facebook. WhatsApp was also down and Instagram was. And the problem was actually attributed to the DNS. You know, let's get a bit local and leave the technical world. It's just like this. Those kingdoms we talked about are located somewhere, like on servers. And those servers actually have addresses that tells your browsers and your applications that, hey, what you are looking for is located in this section of the world. So just match there and fetch information for the user. So these DNS addresses, with Facebook's own, there was actually a problem with it. That is how come your Facebook application found it difficult to tell you exactly where to go to, and your WhatsApp and Instagram all were down. And when you actually open it from the browser actually don't know where to go because the address cannot be found. And according to some few memes I saw, it's like the whole domain was actually down. I actually saw on one domain platform as a meme that Facebook is for sale. Just imagine. And yeah, many people are actually saying, how come Facebook could not just match in and solve the problem and done? But hey, yeah, we know Facebook is a huge giant, and in such situations, they should have a way out. But the problem here was that the DNS or the address we use to access Facebook services is like the same DNS that the staff at Facebook use to access whatever they want to do in there. So once the DNS was down, not just you were logged out of Facebook services, but the staff. So just imagine they trying to get in to solve the problem for you, and they can't go because the problem is exactly the same problem you are facing. That is how come the problem lasted for some time. But hey, Facebook is back, of course. And WhatsApp and Instagram, they're all back. And hey, if you've been around this channel for some time, you definitely know that we were almost the first people to talk about Windows 11 release. And Microsoft wants you to know that, yeah, they have officially released the Windows 11. So very soon, expect that or those updates on your computer. That is, if your machine meets all the requirements necessary for Windows 11, then you will be seeing the update very soon. That is, if you're not using a calculator. But if you don't see the updates very soon, then maybe you can just match up onto the internet and find it somewhere, located somewhere in a cupboard on the internet. Download it and make a bootable drive for yourself and probably install it locally. Or probably you can also use the Windows 11 download assistant, which looks like the one which was available for Windows 10 assistant. It will download all the necessary parts and merge them together and help you to install it easily. That is, if you're not using a calculator, then expect the update very soon. In our past videos, we mentioned all the necessary things you need to be able to have the Windows 11 updates. So you can check the previous videos up. And if your machine is actually not listed there, as probably Microsoft thinks it's a calculator, then you can check it up online and download for your local installation. And then again, when it comes to internet speed, all of us have actually been praying and pleading that we improve our internet speed and connectivity, isn't it? And we'll be moving from 2G, 3G, 4G. And in our previous video, we also mentioned that Ghana is on the move to launch 5G, that is with MTN, as the CEO of MTN officially announced. Right now, Nigeria is ready with theirs when it comes to MTN and Airtel. The Executive Vice Chairman of Nigerian Communications Commission, that is Prof. Umar Dambata, I stand to be corrected, made it clear that they are ready for the launch. And that shows that possibly Ghana will also be having theirs soon, because when it comes to the area of technology and all other stuff, it's like Ghana and Nigeria are like this, So most often, when Nigeria has it, we know Ghana will also be working towards it very soon. Except in the area of jollof that we fight. Aside that, we are like this in all other areas. So yes, this is you happen for this week. I'll be here once again next week to serve you some more. Please subscribe if you have not done so. Click on the bell and comment down there. For no reason, just comment. Let's keep making noise down there. And then I'll be here once again next week to serve you more. This is Gideon once again, and I'm out.